In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to play Hope by the Descendents off the Milo Goes to College record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. Alright, so this is a really cool song, and it's fun to play. It's got some different things that you don't really hear in punk songs, like minor chords and major chords mixed in with power chords. So the really recognizable first part goes like this. So you're going to hit the power chord notes on the F sharp, but you're going to hold it like a minor chord. And so you're going to hit the power chord first, and then you're going to hit the minor chord. So, and then it slides up. And then you're going to hit that major chord on the A. So again. And that's basically it for that intro part. And then it goes on to the verse, and this part's repeated a lot. And it sounds like he's playing with major chords. So you're going to start with at the B, and the strumming's kind of interesting. So it's not like a typical punk strumming where it'd be like, it's kind of like loose. So it's you're going to play like mostly the power chord part of those chords, the bottom three notes, but then you're going to occasionally hit these higher notes. So it kind of sounds like this. And then it goes back into that first part. So again. And that's basically it for that part. It's pretty, like I said, it's pretty loose. And the one thing that mixes it up a little bit is when you're ascending from that G chord, you're going to hit this intermediary chord, the A, on the way to the D. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward strumming, and it's pretty loose, so you can kind of play it the way you feel and the way that sounds good to you. Alright, and then after you play the verse and chorus a couple times, there's this bridge part, which is very similar to the verse. But it's a little bit more of a faster strum, more like typical of a punk strum, and it sounds more like you're playing more of the power chord parts of the chord as opposed to the rest of the major chord. So it goes basically the same as the verse. And then there's like this guitar fill right at that section on the 17th fret. It sounds like bridging over the B and E strings on the 17th fret, like this. So I'll play that all the way through. And then there's that ending part. So one more time all the way through. And then it goes back into the regular verse. Then it goes through the chorus, and then there's a second bridge which uses more minor chords. So you're going to play the minor chord here, and it's like this sharp two notes. So the way it sounds like on the record is you're going to play the minor chord pretty sharp, just like the whole minor chord, and then strum a little bit, and then you're going to play this major chord while hitting the higher notes. So you're gonna hit the power chord portion, and then you're gonna strum the higher notes. So it sounds like this. And then all the way through the whole section is. And then at the very end there's this ending part, and it's basically just straight power chords. Again, it's. So that's it for this lesson. Remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.